How to block lip card. If you need to block your lip card, whether it's because it's lost, stolen, or otherwise compromised, it's essential to act quickly to protect your balance. So go to the official Lipcut website, click on the login button, and enter your username and password to access your account. If you haven't registered your Lipcut online, unfortunately you won't be able to block it online. Once logged in, navigate to the section where you can manage your card. Open Found under My Cards or a similarly named section. Look for an option to report your card as a stolen or lost. This action will block the card from being used further. Follow any additional instructions provided on the website to complete the process. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.